Alright, here's the video answers to go with spot check 22 with fourth period today on Monday. Again, seeing structure with expressions. You have to see the structure to factor them and completely sketch them. For function r, always look for a GCF first. In this case, it's x. If you factor an x out of each one of those terms, you get this 4-term cubic. And because we have 4 terms, we're going to look to factor by grouping, so we split it in half. So I'm looking for what's the GCF of just those 2 terms. It's just an x squared. What's left over from just those 2 when I divide each of them by an x squared is an x plus 1. And then we do the same thing over here. They're both negative. They both have a 25, so I factor out the negative 25. What's left over? X plus 1. That is your new GCF. For this stuff inside the brackets, the GCF is x plus 1. So I pull those out, and then what's left over inside? X squared minus 25. And you had to see that this is actually another difference of 2 squares. Factors like that. So here we have our 4 terms of 0, negative 1, negative 5, and 5. End behavior looks like this. And 0 is our intercept because our GCF has a monomial. So it gets drawn something like this. Now for function t, it's factoring with the magic x, but a quadratic pattern because it's x to the 4th. We know that our binomials are going to have x squared in them to make it fit. So you had to put down the magic x like this. What numbers fit to answer this riddle? It's minus 16 and minus 1. So that's why I have x squared minus 16 and x squared minus 1. Both of those are difference of 2 squares, so it gives me these 4 distinct roots and behavior like that from that term. It's an even function and goes through and drawn like that. That's it.